baby, but I always know just the way you're gone.
Oh, nah. Cartwheel. That was a cartwheel crash.
Uh-oh.
I'm Daniel.
Rick.
Nice meeting you, Rick. Yep, little racing drone. Here, I'll give you a little look.
Virtual, huh?
It's kind of like virtual reality, but not really, because if you move, you might, yeah.
Yeah, I was gonna say lose those.
And if I was gonna say, ignore the sweat. So here, that's what it looks like. It's an analog signal. So you see yourself.
Yeah.
So that's, you know, it gives you an immersive feeling, puts you in the drone.
Okay.
And then a lot of us, and there's a little community here in Louisville. We race them. We actually race them here.
Yeah, I know you do.
Okay,
I've
yeah, I
seen
thought
guys
you
going through these trees.
Yeah. Yep. That was, I switched up some stuff. So I came out to test it. It's a little late, but I was like, you know, you can still see visibly as you just saw. So if you want to see, I'll take off.
And what blows me away is how much they dropped.
Friday night.